gonna ask the concierge, okay? Is it P-CHARGE? Okay, so download the app, okay? I already have the app. So this is how the app looks like, okay? Okay. And then we go scan, okay? And then we go here. Now you go lease. Okay? And then it pops up. Woo! So there's 3 different tables for it. Okay? It depends. There's Type C, there's for Apple, and there's for the original Android. Okay? So no problem about this. Alright? So it's easy. Hi guys, I'm going to return this. I'm going to go to P-CHARGE, yeah? So I'm done. My phone is charged. I have to put this back. See? I just use any slot. Just return it. Voila! It's back. Oh, it said, thank you for using P-CHARGE. I'm good. Bye guys. So the best part about P-CHARGE is I came from the other building, so I could download it over there and borrow it, rent it, and charge my phone and go around the whole mall for an hour and go back to another building, the next building, and it's here again. It's so convenient. I can just come here and return the charger and just roam around again and have a good day. So what's good about it is just like a convenience store. It's conveniently here and scattered everywhere. And in the app, you can also leave this place and go to another place. And you can see which part or where part in the city that you can return the charger. So it's so easy like that. So you can even bring it home and give it back the next day somewhere in your own city. So we are trying our best to have it everywhere so you can return it everywhere, anywhere, anytime. P-CHARGE, power up anywhere. That's the point.